Welcome back to video 6 of our NTHS one-pager project. In this video, we're going to show you how to export it and how to put it into a mock-up in Photoshop. So first in InDesign, we've got everything done. I'm just going to lock this layer so that we have everything locked. And we're going to, if you haven't done already, make sure you save. So File, Save. And we're going to do File, Export. And when we go to export, we want to make sure that it's an Adobe PDF. And I'm going to export it to that same folder that we've already created and click Save. Under compression, you just want to make sure that you have the max resolution for this. So just check through there and make sure that your resolution's all high as it can possibly be. And then click Export. Now we're going to go into Photoshop. So with Photoshop open, you're going to go to Open, find the one-pager mockup template.psd, open that up. In our layers in Photoshop where it says your design here, you're going to double click on that one. It's going to open up a new file, a new tab. And where it says rectangle 1, we're going to do File, Place Embedded, and choose our PDF that we just created and click Place. It's going to ask you what page. You're just going to get that top page. And then you're going to want to move it up so that, just click and drag and move it up so that there's more white space at the bottom here because it doesn't recognize that there's anything at the bottom of this page. Once you've done that, you can press Enter on your keyboard to confirm that that's where you want to place it. Command S or Control S to save it. Close out of that rectangle and you can see that it's now placed our image onto this mockup. So let's go ahead and save that. So save as last name, first initial, underscore, one-pager, mockup. And then we're going to go ahead and export that as well. So we'll do File, Export, quick export as PNG, and you're going to put that in the same folder so that you have a PNG version to put on your portfolio or anywhere else you'd like to put this image. Hope you've enjoyed this series and that you learned a lot out of it. You really got to know character paragraph styles and feel confident about using them in InDesign and are able to create your own designs just like this one. Thanks for watching. This completes video 6. If you enjoyed this project and this video, please check out the rest of our tutorials on our YouTube channel.